Hello everyone, is your Discord giving you a strange error? Are you concerned? Well, don't worry, because the solution is very simple. I tested so many things to present this solution to you, so please leave a comment, like the video and most importantly subscribe so I can help you again in future. So, to stop getting the rare error on Discord, copy me and do what I do. I'm simply going to set my date and time to automatic, then attempt to log in again. If your Discord freezes, just reload it. And there we go, Discord is working normally now. So remember, please support me by subscribing, and let me know of any other issues that I can help you with down in the comment section. Have a blessed day.